like a Hellcat.
Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed these raised letters on the back of my 2019 Silverado. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's start off with, before you do anything, you kind of just want to make sure it's squeaky clean in those crevices. I'm going to link in the description exactly what I used for this project. But they send a little pamphlet with our order, and this is off Amazon. So on step one, it's telling us basically to clean all your surfaces. And then step two, they come with an alcohol and adhesive pad, and obviously the adhesive on the back of the lettering. They came in two different shipments. So I had two different boxes, half the lettering in one, half the other. So your second step, you basically want to get your alcohol and you want to wipe every little section down. And then third step, use your adhesive promoter, wipe it down, and then start peeling and sticking. Step four is basically sticking them on. So it's easy enough to stick them on. You just got to make sure you get them in the right spot. I basically peeled off, got it lined up, and then pushed one side in, and then kind of moved my back end around, and then give it a good press all the way across. And you'll do that for every one of them. So it's easy to install. It's a quick mod and it looks good. I went with red. It looks weird with the chrome and stuff on the back, but that'll be done in the next video on this truck. The rest of the truck's gonna be blacked out. I just haven't got around to do that yet. So let me know what y'all think, and if you got any suggestions, let me know. But thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next.